Welcome to Corporator, Incident Management Solution Demo. In this demo, we will delve into each module, showcasing how our solution facilitates the capturing, tracking, analyzing, and ultimately resolving incidents, promoting a more efficient and proactive organization. Stay with us as we go through each part of our incident management solution. First, we'll explore Incident Lifecycle Management, where you'll see how we manage incidents from start to finish. Next, we'll present the Knowledge Base module, a resource that can be filled with informative articles aimed at streamlining incident resolution and reducing the incident submission rate. Following that, we'll guide you through the Incident SelfService module, designed to simplify the process of incident submission and tracking for users. Lastly, we will discuss the various incident dashboards and reports. All these parts work together to make Corporator's incident management solution effective and powerful. Now, let's dive into the first section of our incident management demo on Corporator platform. The current display showcases all organizational incidents, yet the strength of the system is in its flexibility. Incident listing pages can be placed at any organizational level, including regions, divisions, and departments. Moreover, such pages can be configured to show incidents by specific category or any attribute like criticality, allowing for a focused view relevant to each specific context. The table displayed here presents many features, including export to Excel, inline editing, search, and filter features. To access the filter options, click on the top right icon on the table. This will display a list of filters to choose from. To create your own filter, simply choose a column. Select the desired value under the filter option. Then save it under a name of your choice. The page also offers configurable statistics to suit your specific requirements. For example, the mean time to resolve metric shows how quickly the organization handles incidents on average. The unresolved incident age distribution provides a clear picture of how long unresolved incidents have been open. Let's now drill down to a specific incident and view its detailed life cycle. We are now at the incident level page, specifically looking at customer data breach incident. Let's explore together the details presented for this incident. The current incident template consists of 4 main sections: Incident Overview, Knowledge Base, Resolution, and Learn and Improve. Remember, the system is fully configurable, so elements and pages can be tailored to the specific needs, incident types, and even incident criticality. On the Overview page, we capture initial details about the incident, such as its category, description, the country where the incident occurred, affected business locations, involved departments, and impacted assets. This page also provides information about the incident assignment and associated users, including the reporting person, reporting method, creator, assignee, and assigned team. The notification section allows you to select users who need to be kept informed about this incident. In addition, you'll find details on the incident's current state, including its priority, status, and urgency. The system also presents automated information about the incident timeline, such as creation date, incident date, resolution date, and closure date, along with key statistics like the number of days for resolution and closure. Also present on this page are the related attached documents and their types. An incident impact analysis can be performed across various impact categories. These categories might include financial, operational, technological, reputational, compliance, human resources, and customer impacts. Furthermore, there's an in-depth financial impact analysis section where cost categories, cost types, and the total financial loss are listed. Last but not least, the comments section on this page facilitates collaboration among different stakeholders, ensuring clear and timely communication during incident management. Next, we navigate within the incident to the knowledge base page. This page includes three main features designed to aid in incident resolution. First, the Search Articles section. This feature allows the assignee to search for and access helpful articles to aid in the incident resolution process. Next, we have the Related Articles section. This feature allows for the addition of related articles for quick access. These articles can serve as a reference throughout the resolution process, providing vital context and information as needed. Lastly, there's the Related Incidents section. This is an automated feature that brings together all related incidents of the same type. By understanding the context and history of similar incidents, the assignee can make more informed decisions, leading to potentially quicker and more effective resolution strategies. Following the knowledge base, we come to the incident resolution page. Here, resolution tasks are documented and managed thoroughly. Each task is detailed with attributes such as the step number, activity name, description, assigned owner, team, start and end dates, progress, whether external support is needed, and the associated vendor, if applicable. Notably, each resolution task has its own dedicated page where subtasks can be added. This is also where you can specify the required resources for resolution, attach supporting documents, and add remarks for further clarity. The Resolution Tasks table is designed with usability in mind, offering features such as inline editing. Simply click on the pencil icon to make changes directly within the table. Additionally, you can easily add tasks by clicking on the plus sign, which opens up a form to capture detailed information for the new resolution task. Our final stop at the incident level is the Learn and Improve section. This part of the process is crucial, as it focuses on extracting valuable insights from each incident. It features a table dedicated to capturing lessons learned, organized by category. Additionally, improvement actions are documented on this page. These are specific steps that the organization plans to take to enhance its incident management process. This record keeping is not just about understanding what went wrong, but more importantly, detailing how similar incidents can be prevented in the future, and response times and effectiveness can be improved. Next, let's generate an incident report and take a closer look at its contents. The incident report, a key feature of our platform, compiles all relevant incident information and presents it in clearly organized sections. These include Incident Overview, Impact Analysis, Incident Resolution, Lessons Learned and Improvement Actions. Let us now move on to explore the knowledge base module within the Corporator incident management solution. The knowledge base serves as a repository of articles that can assist in incident resolution. Each article is a valuable resource designed to equip your team with the information they need to effectively manage and resolve incidents. These articles can be procedures, best practices, past incident analysis, troubleshooting guides, and much more. Article submission to the knowledge base can be granted to selected personnel across various departments in the organization. These submissions can go through a workflow process for approval and review, ensuring the quality and relevance of the information shared. Once approved, these articles become accessible to end users during incident submission, providing them with vital insights or potential solutions. Moreover, these articles are also a valuable resource for the incident response team, who can refer to them for guidance during the resolution process. Adding articles is straightforward. Simply click on the plus sign, fill in the related information in the form, and hit submit. Now, let's open an existing article and explore its details. Once we're on the article page, you'll see the article title, a short summary, and detailed instructions. Additionally, you'll find references to related articles, the last updated date, the author, and the creation date. The article page also includes any attachments and comments, providing a comprehensive resource for incident resolution. Let's now move on to another integral part of the incident management solution, the Incident Self-Service module. This module can be easily accessed by end users through the My Responsibilities section. On the Incident Self-Service page, users are presented with a range of useful features. First, the knowledge base search feature allows users to search through the pre-populated articles. This feature can significantly reduce incident submission rates, as users may often find solutions within these informative articles. Next, users have a clear view of all their open incidents. From this view, users can drill to the details of each incident, communicate with the assignee, and check the progress and resolution status of their incidents. The page also showcases a table listing all resolved incidents for the user, providing a helpful record of past issues and their solutions. Finally, the module includes an incident submission action button. By clicking on this, users can easily report an incident and fill out the necessary form. A comprehensive listing of knowledge base articles is also accessible from this section, ensuring users have necessary resources readily available. Let's now discuss the simplified incident reporting page. This straightforward interface can be an alternative to the self-service module, designed specifically for easy incident submission. It can be granted to all users or specific groups within your organization. In the next section, we will showcase the incident management dashboards within this demo. It's important to note that these dashboards can be customized to fit your organization's specific needs. The first dashboard presents incidents in a hierarchy, starting with the main category, followed by subcategories, and finally the individual incidents. At every level, you'll find specific statistics relevant to the category. The second dashboard takes a geographical approach, presenting incidents in a hierarchy of regions and countries. When you expand a region, it reveals the countries where incidents have occurred. Delving deeper, you'll find a list of incidents specific to each country. Importantly, the system allows for additional levels of granularity. For instance, this dashboard could be further configured to include an incident status level under each country, segregating incidents into open, resolved, and closed categories per country. It's worth noting that there are no restrictions on the number of hierarchical levels. This feature is completely customizable to suit your specific needs. The third dashboard brings you a more analytical perspective, showcasing charts and statistics for incidents throughout the entire organization. The visuals here are customizable, enabling you to focus on incident management needs that are important to your organization. In the final section of this demo, we will discuss the incident management reports. With Corporator, reports can be specifically configured to align with your business requirements. In terms of flexibility, reports can be generated in a variety of formats including Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and PDF. Now, let's proceed with generating a comprehensive incident report. This report offers a panoramic view of all incidents, sorted according to their current status. It starts off with the open incidents, followed by those in progress, resolved incidents, and finally, the closed incidents. As we continue into this report, you'll notice that it presents a deep dive into each incident. Every aspect of an incident's lifecycle is explored, starting from an overview of the incident to an in-depth impact analysis, the strategies employed in incident resolution, and rounding off with lessons learned and proposed improvement actions. And with that, we've come to the conclusion of our incident management solution demo on Corporator platform. We hope this session was informative and helpful. Thank you for your time, and have a wonderful day.